esto en Walmart y me llamó la
This
atención y
is
lo vamos a
a
armar. Vamos a ver
tension
cómo queda porque
pole
nuestro baño
organizer
es
for the
pequeñito y
shower that
queremos
we bought
aprovechar
at Walmart.
totalmente todo.
See, we have a very small space to work with. Pole slips together pretty nice, and then there's three adjustable hangers for the shelves. You can pull that latch out and raise it up, and then the rack just slides into two little holes. So you get the right size you need for that. Right there, I was just adjusting the
Mire
height.
cómo va quedando.
And these shelves have nice deep
Súper chévere.
wire on them, so stuff won't be falling out of there.
Bueno,
Plus it's made out of
cómo
wire,
quedó.
so it won't be holding
Súper
soap like the
chévere.
plastic ones do. Nice for RVs.